For decades, North America has held a reputation as the homeland of world-class fiberglass campers, travel trailers, and fifth wheels. From iconic Canadian Boler trailers to modern high-end American fiberglass RVs, the region has long dominated the segment. But a stunning challenger has emerged from across the Atlantic. Built by Fifth Wheel Co. in England, the Celtic Rambler is rapidly gaining recognition as Europe's finest fiberglass fifth wheel, and many believe it doesn't just rival its North American counterparts, it surpasses them in comfort, craftsmanship, and luxury. The very idea of a European fiberglass fifth wheel of this size already turns heads, but the Celtic Rambler goes further by combining European design philosophy with handcrafted attention to detail. Most fiberglass RVs use multiple molded sections joined together, but the CR features a one-piece molded shell system that emphasizes durability, strength, and seamless design. One glance at its front cap reveals just how refined and perfectly blended the construction really is. It's a level of engineering more commonly seen in compact truck campers, yet here it's executed on a massive 8.5-meter-long platform. Speaking of size, the Celtic Rambler stands as one of the biggest fiberglass fifth wheels in the world. With a GVWR of 4,300 kilograms and a dry weight of 3,300 kilograms, it leaves buyers around 1,000 kilograms for cargo and upgrades. And upgrades matter because every unit is custom built by hand. Buyers can personalize nearly every detail, ensuring that no two Celtic Ramblers are identical. From optional solar setups to enhanced interior features, the CR can be configured into a luxury home tailored to its owner's lifestyle. One standout feature is the molded fiberglass slide-out, a rarity in this category. This slide-out expands interior living space dramatically and showcases Fifth Wheel Co.'s capability to mold structural components with precision. It transforms the RV's layout from spacious to villa-like, especially when paired with European-style decor and premium finishes. Step inside, and the Celtic Rambler truly feels like a private villa on wheels. The example toured by RV reviewer Miles was equipped with significant upgrades, bringing its price to €202,800, around $235,000. But with that price comes craftsmanship that rivals high-end residential interiors. Home-grade appliances, washer-dryer combos, CNC-crafted wood furniture, and solid-surface countertops elevate the CR far above typical RV expectations. The slide-out creates a large open area with a modular dinette, while mood lighting and premium materials complete the refined ambiance. The bathroom alone outshines what many full-time travelers experience at home. A spacious shower, elegant vanity, luxurious toilet, and heated towel rack create a spa-like environment that feels unmistakably European. The bedroom continues this theme of comfort, offering a king-size bed or an optional split bed layout depending on customer preference. Skylights, panoramic windows, underfloor heating, and a massive 231-liter freshwater system all contribute to its appeal as a luxury, long-term travel solution. Underneath, the Celtic Rambler rides on a dual-axle suspension, believed to use torsion axles, providing smoother and quieter towing compared to standard leaf springs. And for those who dream of off-grid travel, solar panel options make energy independence possible. But perhaps the most compelling detail for American buyers is that Fifth Wheel Co. offers international delivery. While they don't guarantee U.S. availability, they encourage prospective customers to reach out. Should import be feasible, the Celtic Rambler may force North American brands to rethink what fiberglass RV luxury really means.